I'm Todd Marcus at Birds Exotic, and we're in Delray, New Jersey, and we carry the largest selection of birds in the United States.
When choosing a bird, you want to consider the size of the bird. Do you want a bird more for affection or more for talking, or do you want a bird that's going to be what the price range, of course, that you're going to be in? There's a bird for everybody. You could get a parakeet that can be a very good talking bird, as well as a cockatoo, which is a very affectionate bird. So there's a lot of birds in between that can do very well for you.